how to add skew animation in Wix Studio. So in order to add a skew animation, you can apply it into your image, into your text, as well as into your button. For this case, I'll choose in here my image, and then make sure to open your inspector right around here, and then click right here into the lightning option in order to open right here your animations and effects. So the skew option is available into the entrance, hover, as well as mouse settings. For this case, let's head over to the mouse effects and click on add. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here skew. So click on the skew option right here, and you should be able to have a preview how it looks like by clicking onto this adjust animation. Then just move your mouse in order to see how that will look like inside. So that's how you actually add a skew animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.